In the previous lecture, we have calculated the average kinetic energy and average potential energy over one complete time period, and which comes out to be 1 by 4 Ka square, which is half of the total energy, because we have total energy E as 1 by 2 Ka square. So average kinetic energy or average potential energy in a SHM or in one time period oscillation is half of the total kinetic energy. Now again I am going to calculate the potential and kinetic energy averaged over position, that is the position average of kinetic energy and potential energy. So first let's calculate the kinetic energy. So we have formula for kinetic energy, K equals to 1 by 2 m dx by dt to the whole square v square. So using value of dx by dt, we get in the forms of displacement and amplitude as a square minus x square. This value has been calculated earlierly. Now we have to take the average value from 0 to a, because maximum displacement is a. So average value over position of SHM will be, or we can say that the position average of kinetic energy over the displacement from 0 to x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a is given by k bar equals to 0 to a k dx integration 0 to a dx. Here it is a kinetic energy, this and this is the this is force constant. This k is again force constant. So we can take average value. This will be equal to, using this is this k, and this will be used in place of k. So integration 0 to a 1 by 2 k into a square minus x square dx, and the value of this will be a. Now this is constant, so we can take this, all value is constant. So we have 1 by 2 k into a and integration 0 to a square minus dx minus 0 to a x square dx. So solving this value, now again we have k by 2a into, and this will be a square into because integration of dxx, so putting a minus this will be x cube by 3, so this will be a cube by 3. Now 1 by k by 2a, this is force constant, not kinetic energy. and A3 AQ minus AQ solving 3 और K by 2A into K by 2A into 2AQ by 3 और we will get 1 by 3 KA square as a averaged over distance. The kinetic energy, average kinetic energy averaged over distance A, which is 1 by 3 K square. Similarly, we can calculate the potential energy average over distance x equal to 0 to x is equal to A. That is one amplitude. So again we see we have given u equals to 1 by 2 kx square. So average potential energy will be u average equals to integration 0 to a u dx divided by 0 to a dx, and putting this value 0 to a 1 by 2 k x square by a equals to 1 by 2a into integration 0 to a x square dx and so it will be 1 by 2a into aq by aq by 3. So it comes out to 1 by 6 k a square. So we see that it is 1 by 6 k square and kinetic energy 1 by 3 k square.